Welcome to Top Parts. We are a company well experienced in providing a full service for American cars. We perform services for Nordic countries and the Baltic states. We have 2 modern branches in Estonia, in Tallinn, and in Tartu. Our priorities are to provide to our customers the best possible selection of spare parts and short delivery terms. Relying on long-term experience, we keep in stock a large selection of spare parts for American cars popular in our geographic area. Special orders are delivered within a week in most cases. In addition to original spare parts, we also sell more affordable aftermarket spare parts. In the Baltic region, we have the largest inventory of air suspension components by U.S. company Arnott Industries. Our repair shops are equipped with special tools required to repair American cars. Diagnostic equipment is available for Chevrolet, Chrysler, and Ford models. Visit our branch, call, or make an online inquiry via our website at topparts.eu. 25 years of experience makes us a reliable partner, offering spare parts, repairs, and maintenance for your American car at the best price and quality. Top Parts. We will fix your car.